Socheng constituency branch of All Party Hills Leaders Conference had reshuffle. Timber seized in Uttar Borbil Kamar Bosti in Dokmoka Forest Range. Ruptalin Rongpipi wins gold medals at the Assam Youth Olympic Guwahati. Good morning, viewers. Welcome to Karbi Anglong Live, Voice of Karbi Anglong. This is English Prime Time with Mirina Hansepi, and now the news in details. Keeping a view of the MP election 2024, the All Party Hills Leaders Conference branch of Socheng constituency had a major reshuffle. The event was held at Umrinti Community Hall, Socheng, to further strengthen the party. The All Party Hills Leaders Conference on 25th July organized 6 scheduled awareness and emphasized upon the need to have tribal unity. To further strengthen the party's vision, the conference once again focused on raising awareness among the people, including the youth and the old, about Article 244A of the Indian Constitution and also the need to remove illegal voters from the voter list. The reshuffles of the party in number 4 Socheng MEC constituency was aimed at bringing new leaders on the front, whom the party feels the people have faith on. Bidya Singh Teron, President; Ranjit Teron, Vice President; Chesterfield Crow, General Secretary; and Vaisong Terang, AGS, were elected. Bikram Hansi, APHLC President of Baithalangso constituency, says that with the MP elections in 2 years, the party needs to prepare from now on.
Following PC MP election fan itum ka chapahai unjima niltum 26 constituency fan kin itum well prepared lo lapen non niltum demahasa a district long ke dami panta bori ponpo by August lahai niltum claim ponpo lapen niltum non ke bang japor bang ke radatum sini pamelo je APSLC fan yong si power one way pulutangte ke kisung long ke raidunji a party marsi available sialang litum sini pamelo.
And the fight for Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council re-election will be according to the law.
Nil tume pu bom lama dede Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ke itum isi authority thedung khangjang sita laso authority itum power ave lo none. Why? Because matha tha ilitum dak inquire trok constituency long elected lo kadi elected atum dulu ala tum mansi ilitum em ta pek ponun lo joy kepen ala tum pan la pena fitness kawi kali ke hai tang tu man ke fitness dulu la so teng ben zelang tum em ke claim ya jakong da dulu mine non si ke claim lang mati sini de la jang kong do be bangke sita alang litum elected lo alang litum ang bong si em ke long nang je por la ha sita non bangke election nang thur dun de pin lo la pen hala Dr. Himanto Biswa Sarma ki puateng ha election du deko campaign rally long kaning je teng si bang nang claim det lo.
On Angtong Ingti's bail, he says that since they have appealed for bail in the HC and the hearing will be on 27 July and express hope for the bail.
Ingti akhai liltum spokesperson lo All Party Hills Leader Conference alang li phan ladak go di fu long alang li phan bail rejected aphi bangke nilitum higher court long damlo Karbi Anglong rathan pachining tum bangke higher court long litum Guwahati honorable high court long damlo la sialadak ke damtang porhut chu arui hombarani niltum bail apply lo niltum advocate ar ko ingti ke hai tapen ingti sang ho tum apply lo la so pensi hearing and date non next nang pithu bangke inquire troxy asi inquire troxy ar niltum ning thelo je bail long po la penalang li hemkang samen wang long po posil tum ning the pon.
Daniel Inghi from Hamren for Karbi Anglong Live. On 25th July at around 7:30 p.m., due to the constant vigilance of the officials of the Dokmoka Range Forest, seized timber at Uttar Borbil Kamar Bosti. The seized items include timber-laden truck bearing registration number AS02 BC 3447. As per sources, when the forest official rushed to the spot, the smugglers and the truck drivers fled from the spot. As per Samson Ingti, forester warned the smugglers on seeing the forest official tried to overturn the truck, due to which the truck got stuck. The driver and the smugglers ran away and could not be identified. The forest had to work until midnight to get the truck to office of the Dokmoka Forest Range East Division.
Uttar Borbil Kamar Gaon ko adim hai. Si pini tumla information long pen logi bang philo. Si agar nil tum bhana nai thek long pen la driver tum bang si nervous jalo. Gari kipa gorai tong mat paching thang log lo. Amala so loge driver tum nang thek long pen kat jula driver tum ba. Si agari bang non bang suspend la. Si non range chapondet pon. Dak mo range.
Tala bang so thang pi ko anak ke di bag doi sa.
Non dak bang approximate 60 safety bag doi.
Amount kon bag
labang ke species lang hoy si belek pini ma didi. Dak mo do royalty kon se bang ma lai bang ke amount mang ge di.
Ini kona por se ladak nang tum
kene tum information ke long ben bang philo dak nang kile bang 7:30 long.
Parsing wrong piece from Hawar Kehat for Kabiang Long Live. As sports enthusiast since childhood, Ruptalin Rongpipi, daughter of Kolom Singh Rongpi and Renuka Ingtipi, residents of West Karbi Anglong, wins gold medals, bringing laurels to the whole tribes. Since last year, Ruptalin Rongpipi has been enrolled in Amri Football Sports Association. Later on, after going to Nagaon for her education, she put her steps in hockey. Due to her talent, she had been representing Nagaon district. Then on 22nd July in the Assam Youth Olympic 2022 held in Guwahati, she won gold medal. Himari Rongphar from Ulukunchi, Karbi Anglong Live. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.